Now, before I went to the court, I just want to go back uh, on this case. That's the federal action lawsuit. What happened with it when it was filed? The judge issued an order in that case. This is normal. There's uh, local rules, federal rules of issuing that order. This is the order. You see? United States District Court, Northern District of Illinois. You see, this paper got some water on it. When I was going to the immigration in Como, was rain, so it got some water on it. You see, the immigration, the Finnish immigration, they have copies of all these documents that I'm telling you. Almost all of them. See, Samuel Derjagen, 06 CV 1706. Okay, the date was issued, this court order, May 15, 2006. The case of Saad Nawab versus Bilogovich, et al. Okay, I'll be reading this for you. You know, according to Federal Rule Civil Procedure 26F, conference. So here, this court order, it says initial status hearing set for August 1st, 2006 at 9 a.m. At least 4 working days before the initial status hearing, the parties, who are the parties? And the plaintiff and the defendants, all defendants, the parties, shall conduct a Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 26F conference. So I should have conference with those felons, and the felons wants to kill me. How could I have conference with them? How could I have conference? They want to kill me. They don't want even to talk to me. They deny everything I have. So this is the order. Conference. And file a joint written initial status report. Then all of us will write what? A joint written initial status report. Well, this is my status report. They want to kill me, and this is the court. You hear Judge Diri again? I left you a message. I told you, I called you. I told you this was going on. They want to kill me. That's why that you want me to have a joint conference with them. They want to kill me, so how could I do that? How could I have conference with them? Not to exceed that report, not to exceed 5 pages in length, and file the court's joint jurisdictional status report and deliver courtesy copies to this court's chamber. The court's standing order, standing orders on the initial status report and joint jurisdictional status report may be obtained from Judge Derjagen's webpage or from the court's courtroom deputy. Plaintiff's direction. A plaintiff is directed to comply with the Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 4 that has to do with serving copies of the complaint. Remember I told you I gave Judge Levis one copy? That's not considered. That does not, that's not according to due process of the law. To serve him, for him to file any response. But this just, I gave him one, just to put him on notice that he should withdraw, recuse himself. You see, I teach him the law. I know the law. Failure to comply with will result in a dismissal of the section. Was it my fault? They want to kill me? The parties are warned that failure to appear at court's notice status hearing may result in a default or dismissal for want of persecution pursuant to local rule 14.1. This court order. You see it? Does it worth anything? That I must have me later, and the defendants must have a joint conference. We must have a conference, and then we reach a joint initial report of what happened. Is there any agreement, anything we have to tell the judge? How could I do it with such criminals that they want to kill me? Now you tell me, how could I do it? So this law does not work. Does not work. It has no value to it. Does not work because the whole constitution is suspended, crucified, and I'm crucified. But I got resurrected. Resurrected in Finland. I died over there and God resurrected me here. And I'm speaking to you. So how could I follow up with it? So we go back to the trial, this kangaroo trial. And then my attorney had to stay, had no choice. And they had to keep him. You see, we have no choice. That country is ruled by terror. That's the United States of terror and fear, fear and terror. I have no right to fire my attorney. Anyhow. So it comes this jury trial. I have the right under the Constitution to question the witnesses. I was denied that right. I was not allowed to talk, to defend myself, cross-examine the witnesses, the state witnesses. Who were they? My wife and one police officer. See, there were four police officers that they came, they attacked me, and the sergeant. And they had to tell me in the bill of particular that what they have. They filed no response to the bill of particular. Welcome to the USA. I have to teach them the law. Anyhow, so at the end, now the jury is deliberating, right? They want to come up with their answer. Even I believe that the jury were just mock-up, not a true jury. Because normally the jury, they have a sticker on their shoulder that says jury. None of them had it. So it was all an act. Welcome to the USA. And wait and see the true act. Very clear. So now the jury are deliberating in their place, in their room, and the judge is outside in the hallway, the police, me and my lawyer. Boy, he's my lawyer by force, by coercion. This is the USA. Then I look at the judge like he's very happy, like a child and got a gift or something. He was very happy to leave us. He's an associate judge. One time he filed a lawsuit. He has a lawsuit against the Will County State Attorney. He's discriminating against him for some reason, for political reason, and and they did not hire him as a judge or assistant state attorney or something like that. And he took them to federal court. They have a problem. And now he's like a child. He's very happy, that he's going to get me. So now the jury come back. So we go to the court, wait for the jury. The jury came back, and my attorney tell me they found you guilty. I said, how? They didn't say that they found me guilty. How do you know? See, he's giving me a signal that everything is set up. That man, he wants to say part of the truth. Put me on notice. They said they found you guilty. Well, the jury, as you see on the movies, I'll tell you what happened. Welcome to the USA.